This is a 2008 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.